Welcome back, my darlings. Today we've got a little white Fiat 500 that is in desperate need of a good clean. There's not going to be any decon in this one, but just a thorough good clean and a finishing off with the turtle wax rinse wax, and it's fantastic stuff. This you'll see in the video. It's hydrophobicity. Say that sober. Wait. Yeah. It's fantastic, and you'll see it in the video. So without much further ado, I'm going to get on with that and set you up. I've got an interesting shot that I want to try out today as well, so kind of like a before and after, but happening at the same time. We'll see how that works out. If it makes the edit, you know it was good. If it doesn't, it didn't work. And cue fancy shot, and cue snow foam out of nowhere. I don't know what happened with the footage at the beginning, just didn't seem to record anything. However, this is the fancy shot that I was talking about. It's like this 50-50 cut of while I'm cleaning the back of the car. I thought it would be a good way to illustrate how things are getting cleaned through the process. So I start off with snow foam, doing a bit of agitation with the detailing brush, then I'm going to power rinse it off, and I'm going to wash it with the wash mitt. And I lied earlier, I couldn't help myself. I did end up doing some decon. You can see that I've done some Korrosol on this in a minute as well. But yeah, let me know what you think of this sort of shot. Does it work for you? You enjoying it like this? Seeing the side-by-side comparison? Do you think it's a waste of time? Let me know. Let me know in the comments, and I will see what I can do in the next ones. Oh yes, some good wheel cleaning action. Now first off, I'm giving the tyres a spray with Bilt Hamber Surfex HD at about 20:1. You give them a quick scrub. Then I'm going to spray the rims with the usual auto wheel and leaving that to sit and dwell and bleed, and you can see it's coming up here. These were dirty, these rims. A lot came off with the pressure washer, which was great, but there was obviously a lot of residue left behind. Saving grace was the rear brakes on this car are drum brakes, so there was no brake dust on the rear, so that was just Surfex HD on those, and yeah, Bob's your uncle. That. It's a great illustration of just how dirty this car was, and you see that I'm agitating the snow foam by adding in some Surfex HD just to help shift some of that grime in the fuel cap. I completely misjudged how long this car took me to do. I thought it was going to be a fairly quick one. It was hiding the dirt pretty well, and when I got really close to it I could tell obviously, but yeah, let me know in the comments, guess how long you thought this took me to clean. It's certainly longer than a 9-minute video, that's for sure. Gratuitous slow-mo time for you. I thought you'd enjoy looking at this, seeing the dirt fly out from behind all the trim elements. Ironically, every other trim element I hit had it rushing out, and the bits I decided to film slow-mo weren't quite as bad, but you get the feel. You all clean cars that are like this, I'm sure, but yeah, you get a feel for how bad this was. example here was all this moss, and it took quite a few hits with the Surfx HD, and yeah, just a lot of agitation with the detailing brush. Could have done with a toothbrush or something like that to get into some of these gaps, and I didn't have one with me, but there you go. What I'm doing there is I'm just rinsing it with the open end of the foam lance. So I've taken the nozzle out, turned the pressure off, and it's got a very good clean run, so great for flushing out gaps like this. You can see how much better it is. Yes, now it's the Turtle Wax Rinse and Shine Rinse Wax. This stuff is incredible. If you really zoom in on this, or if you're looking on the computer, you can see that the beading from this is insane. But then I was able to dry the car with the blower and nothing else. I got a completely contactless dry from this, and I was astounded by that. Absolutely blown away. So yeah, heartily recommend that product, especially as it can be had for about £5 or £6 a bottle. Before you say it, I did go and sort out that exhaust pipe afterwards. I gave it a good scrub with some quadruple zero fine grade white wool.